Hello, welcome to Clear Creek Solutions instructional videos. Today we're going to go over how to use the control panel in the software WHMM-SWMM. So the control panel consists of all the elements that you can use in the software WHMM-SWMM. There are SWM and HSPF elements, and the control panel lets you either see one of both or zoom in on the control panel. So let's just take a look here. Go to Scenario, Pre-Developed. So this is the control panel. As you can see, there are SWM and HSPF elements. Now we can modify the control panel to see what we only want, or maybe zoom in to better use it in the software. So the first thing you can do is uncompact it. As you can see, this makes the control panel, all the elements are listed out here in this list format. So you can find your culverts, your SWM elements, your basins. It may be much easier if you uncompact it. I'm going to compact it back. You can use it in such a way that it only shows HSPF elements, or maybe only shows SWM elements. As you can see, by right clicking and deselecting or selecting these, you can either show one or the other or both. Now by hitting the plus or minus keys, you can increase the zoom size of the control panel. So I'm hitting the plus key here, it's zooming in and making the control panel bigger. By hitting the minus button, it is making it smaller. So if you have a large project and you need to make the control panel smaller, you can do that, or you just want to make it bigger to easier see the elements, you can do that as well. By right clicking and selecting options, you can modify the schematic options of the control panel here. Anything you want, text, colors, elements, size, anything, it can be modified here. If you don't like your changes, you can go to restore defaults. So that is how to use the control panel in WHMM-SWMM. If you have any questions, leave them down below in a comment and we'll get to it as soon as possible.